Hello guys, so here is a complete guide on the AIX wallet withdrawal, deposit, how it works, how you are going to earn and all of that. So just to answer a couple of questions I've been seeing from the channel and from the Telegram channel as well. And disclaimer please, this is not a financial advice. We all are investors. We are investors on this platform and every other platform that I've introduced so far. So I'm only sharing what is working and how my community can also benefit from it. It is not a financial advice. So take responsibility for your financial investment. So AIX Wallet is one of the platform that I'm currently investing in. I mentioned Bitness, I've mentioned Quantum Wallet, and this is AIX Wallet. I've been mentioning it, and these are the three platforms basically that I am currently on. And the good part of this is they are decentralized, and you can start making money from it if you choose to get started with any of this. So focusing on AIX Wallet here in this video, here is how to go about it. Firstly, if you haven't registered on AIX Wallet, check the link to download the app in the description box of this video. After you must have downloaded the app, then come to these settings and click on invite bind. So you have to bind a code. The code is also in the description box of this video. Bind the code. You enter this. You can see how the code is alphanumeric. Just paste it and click on bond. After you must have bonded, you will receive bonus, just like Quantum Wallet. You know, when we sign up for Quantum Wallet, we bounded invite code, then we receive Satu. So the Satu unlocking is where you have to stake ATU to unlock your Satu. That's how Quantum Wallet works. So same thing is happening here. You have to bound the invite code, then after bounding, you receive the bonus. Then this bonus is what you'll be unlocked for, like what they will be unlocking for you when you decide to stake. So this is the current price of the AIX wallet, 38 cents, as you can see. 38 cents. I watched this coin grew from 10 cents to I wasn't taking it serious. I was like, okay, but now I'm seeing that it is giving Quantum Wallet vibes. When some people bought ATU, the ATU took coin on Quantum Wallet for 34 cents, and now the price is $1.52. You can see the price increment. So the same thing, this kind of vibe is what is happening on AIX Wallet now. You can see the current price 38 cents. I saw this at 10 cents. I didn't buy. So now we are going to buy this coin together and stake it together. So before now, I had used some few USDT to stake here, and I want to unlock it so that you guys can see how to redeem, that you can withdraw your funds anytime. So after you must have bounded, you have to deposit maybe USDT or TRS to buy AIX, or better still, if you don't want to buy AIX, you can use your USDT to stake directly. But it is advisable, because if you are using if you are using AIX to participate in their staking, you are not only getting higher returns, you are also getting price increments. I told you this coin started from 10 cents and now 38 cents. Imagine it got to $1 and you are buying at 38 cents. That makes sense. So if you are using AIX to stake for you to earn, it means you are enjoying price increments and you are also enjoying higher reward returns. So those are the advantages of using AIX token to participate in their AI trading. What they are doing here is AI trading. So if you click on this AI trading to get started, if you click on this AI trading, you can see AIX monthly income 9.99% to 39.90% monthly income. You see USDT income, it is capped at 30%. You see TRS income, it is capped at 30%, and you see BNB income, it is capped at 30% too. So when you come to this AIS, the minimum you can start with is 300 AIX. That's the minimum, no maximum. But if you come to USDT, the minimum you can start with is 20 USDT. So meaning that there is always opportunity for everyone. If your money cannot start with buying 300 AIX, at least your money can buy at least 20 USDT. But if you are coming to TRX, which is the Tron coin, the minimum you can buy is 100 Tron coin. So you go to any exchanges, buy Tron and send it to your wallet. The same thing with BNB. The minimum for BNB is 1 BNB. So that's it. So I want to unlock my AIX, my USDT, for you guys to see that you can withdraw anytime. So you can see AIX super computing system. I mentioned that before now. I just put in 20 USDT and just to show you guys how to unlock. So if I click on my holdings, you can see redeem. If I click on this redeem, is asking for please enter 6-digit Google authentication code. I will enter my 6-digit authentication code. So before now, you must have bounded your authentication code. The moment you are signing up, it will bring out the option to bound. And if you are not seeing it, just come back to these settings and wallet management. You'll be able to bound your Google authentication code, and also you'll be able to create a transaction code that is also 6 digits. So anything you are doing on this AIX, if it's asking you for 6-digit authentication code, it means that you have to copy that from your Google Authenticator app. But if it's asking you for just enter 6-digit code, it means that the 6-digit code you created yourself personally. So take note of the English, because I've seen people ask, they are entering Google Authenticator code where they're supposed to be entering their own 6 digits personal code. Maybe I will see the option here in the course of this video. So here now you are seeing Google Authenticator code. I will go ahead to copy my Google Authenticator code. So as you can see, it has been redeemed, and you can see my previous redeemed history that I've deposited, I've redeemed, so. But now I'm going to do a permanent one. That is why I want to use AIX. I'll just take the minimum of that 300 AIX and leave it there and start receiving returns, so that I don't get to miss out on the price increments. So now it has been redeemed. And where are you going to see your redeem? Come to this AI trading. Come to this AI accounts. So you are seeing USDT and you are seeing the AIX I have earned so far from staking. Everything you are earning in a day drops here every day. Everything you are earning, and when you redeem your income, it drops here. So you have to come to this upward arrow. You see, the currency will be transferred to your wallet after deducting the network fee. I'll click on confirm. It's still asking for Google authentication code. I will enter it. I've redeemed my USDT. They will charge gas fee. So another thing you have to take note is that you need gas fee. Anything you are doing on a Web3 wallet, either you are converting, you are swapping, you are sending, you are receiving, you are swapping, anything, you need gas fee. So depending on the network you are using, you need gas fee. So you see this AIX too. I want to redeem it to my available balance, to my available wallet balance. I'll click on this upward arrow, and it will still tell me to enter Google Authenticator code. So you can see nothing under this AI account. So I can now go back, my available balance. Let me refresh. So now here is it. You can see both the AIX that I redeem and the USDT that I redeem, everything is here. And you are also seeing Binance Smart Chain as my gas fee. Because if you are trying to swap, if you are trying to convert, you need gas fee. And you are seeing Tron, this Tron coin. I reserved the 2 year as gas fee. So take note, you only need gas fee. So now let's assume I want to swap this AIX to USDT. If I click on this AIX, you see this upward and downward arrow. I'll click on it. So here is how to swap your AIX to USDT. Let's assume every day that you are receiving your returns, the earnings and the profit drops every 2 p.m. UTC every day. 2 p.m. UTC every day. You will see your earnings based on the amount of you are using to participate in the AI trading. So you see your earnings every day. So depending on the amount, if it is reasonable enough that you want to be withdrawing every day, then it's cool. if it is every week, anyhow you want to do it, just come here and swap your AIX to USDT. So if I click on this 20 AIX, they will give me the estimated amount in USDT, and I will click on swap. But I'm not swapping. I want to deposit USDT to buy more AIX and use it for the staking. So this is how to swap. Then you click on swap and you receive your USDT automatically under this USDT BEP20. So doing the swapping thing, you need BNB as gas fee. This BSC that you are seeing 68 cents. You need it as gas fee. So make sure you first of all have the BSC as gas fee, so that you can be able to have a seamless swapping. So now I want to deposit USDT, maybe $100, to buy the AIX, so that I can proceed with the AIX staking. So I have just deposited $100 worth of USDT, as you can see here. So if you are using USDT on Binance Smart Chain, you need BNB, this BSC network, as gas fee. If you are using USDT on Tron, you need Tron coin as gas fee. And that is why you are seeing my Tron coin 4 pieces. You are seeing Binance Smart Chain 68. So it's just for me to be able to do any kind of swapping that I want to do. So now I want to use this USDT to buy AIX. I'll click on this USDT $119, and I will still click on this upward and forward arrow. Then I will enter, it's loading the amount. Then I will enter the amount of USDT. I'll just select max. So you can see this 119 point something we buy 308 AIX token. So I'll just click on swap. Then now it's asking me for enter your wallet password. So you see, this wallet password is the one you created yourself. Your 6-digit password is different from the Google Authenticator password. So take note, always read the kind of password they are asking you to enter, so that you don't get so confused, like it's not working, it's not working. I've had to answer a series of questions regarding this. It is working, just read the instructions. So I have swapped everything to AIX. So now you are seeing 328 AIX token. So now I can now go back to this AIX AI trading. Then I will now select AIX. Then I will enter how much. How many am I? 328.5. I want to stake everything. Then I will click on buy. So now it's still asking me for the wallet password. You see, enter your wallet password, not Google Authenticator. So I have participated in this. If I come back to this, you can see $127. So I can always add to this one. So if I come to this AI trading, my holdings, you see my holdings is showing. Then if I click on this, my holdings in green, I can click on redeem. If I decide not to do again, I'll just click on redeem, just like I showed in the beginning of this video. So you see reward counts down. By 2 p.m. UTC, I will get my reward to my AI account, just like I showed earlier. So this is how to earn, withdraw, participate, everything. This video is fully loaded about this AI trading, the AI trading on AIX wallet. Like, share, subscribe to this channel, share this video to all of your downlines, so they can get to understand how to go about this AIX wallet trading. Stay tuned for more amazing updates. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to this channel, join my Telegram community. Check the link to sign up to download the app in the description box of this video, and the invite code to bond in the description box of this video. Join my Telegram community, the link attached in the pin post in the comment section and in the description box of this video. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.